Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Boombox 4 on your iPhone. So usually we can add the widget to check battery level, and this time I have this widget, but we cannot check the battery level at this widget. So the only way is to use the application. You need to install and set up JBL Portable app. If you don't know how, you can check videos at this channel, and add your speaker to the application. Then open it, and your speaker should be turned on and connected with the phone. Then the application open for you speaker menu, and right here at the top you will find battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!